Where are we? What are we up to? Last week we managed to get the cookies on the screen, I think. There we go. We managed to get the cookies on the screen. So we have, oh, I forgot. Sorry, SP, I completely forgot. We have some new maps. So we've got this one here. So we have some new maps. So we've got now a brick effect map. So there's four. Oh, I like that last one. I do like that last one. So we have 4 maps. So let me see if I can make this bigger so we can have a look. There we go. So that's screen 1 here. That's screen 1. And then we've got screen 2, which is there. Screen 3. And then screen 4. And he has said that there's some hidden... He has said there's some hidden walls in there as well. So that'll be interesting to find them. I'm not going to cheat. But he's also sent another one as well. This one. Oh, a multicolour one. A multicolour one. Oh, I like that. I do like that one. That is very clever. That is very clever. It looks inside out. It looks very Minecrafty to me. That's the stone layer, then the deep slate layer. But that is very clever. We'll have to get that in. We'll have to get that in and see if, what it looks like. You've never played Minecraft? Yeah, it's split into layers. You think it's inside out? What, you think the purple? The purple is the... So we'll have to get that in, because that'll test our multicolour. Yeah, Minecraft is cool. And also we have this. Guess who that is? Guess who that is? We have the possibility. No, Nico. We have the possibility of having Nico, the ghost of Nico, chasing. We'll have to see if we've got time. Nico with a cape, yes. So, because you know Nico was always fighting him for the biscuits, so. But we'll see if we've got time to put it in. But we've got Nico in all directions. So SP's been busy. Oh, as they say, what is it? Idle hands. As I've been doing that. Yeah, right. So I'm not going to put the maps in because I did that on last stream. So we're going to try and get something done on this stream. So, what current state? What we doing? One thing I wanted to do is to do the logic, because I don't like the loop. I don't like the loop. We need to. I've chipped a tooth. Chipped a tooth. I'm not sure about this looping system because we go back to here. Yeah. We loop there, and I don't want to do that. I want to. It seems that there's a delay. I don't know. Let me do it. There seems to be a delay when I hit up, and when he hits a cookie, right? He's hit a cookie there, but he hasn't grown until he hasn't grown. Oh, until there. He hasn't grown until there. Right? That's when he grows. It's weird how he's not growing at exactly the same time. And I got to try and figure out why. It's here. And I think where oh yeah, I think the snake got more fat than long. I think it's because we're looping, and yeah, maybe we should draw the snake more often. I don't know. Because we are looping there, right? We are looping there. But it's a bit pants. I think we should do that. Let's try and see if that feels like it's reacting, and it's not. Well, that's thrown a spanner, didn't it? Okay, what did I do wrong? Where's that coming from? Oh, I see. Let's do that. Let's put it there. Right, let's see if the controls are better. Well, the controls seem to be more responsive. It's slow. Two. And then it increases there. And then increases there. That's taken a while for it to... Yeah. But I also think I'm reading that too many times. Maybe I should well, maybe I should get the action before we do the draw. Then that might seem like we are reacting quicker. Yeah, that gives the impression. Yeah, that gives the impression it's reacting quicker. That's better. What I'm going to do also is when we insert a snake, let's have a look, because it does take a while for it to do it. Right, insert. So we have to find the head, and then we insert at the end, and then we return out. I wonder if I should just draw it straight away. Let's have a look. Let's see if that does it. Does that add it straight away? Oh, there was a definite pause there, wasn't there? There was a definite pause there. Yeah, there was a pause. Anyway, well, it feels better because Whoa. It feels better because now it feels like it's responding to the controls, even though it's not. All we've done is, you know, we're just drawing it. We're doing the control and then drawing the snake again, which means the head changes. Yeah, so the head moves. And I am absolutely rubbish at this. Come on, move. Oh, I missed that. Right, so let's, what are we going to do now? So we've put the, oh, one thing I did notice is, did we put in a table where the snake will start? I don't think we did we? The XY of the snake starting. No. Because I notice on the maps now we've definitely gonna have to specify the start point. So, how are we gonna do this? How are we going to do this? Where do we put it? We'll just create a new one. Right, we'll make it, so it's going to be 2 bytes, isn't it? So that's going to be the X column. Yeah, but then we've got to scan. We've got to scan, haven't we? Where to put it? And I'd rather just do this. I'd just rather imply it like that. Because then we just read a table. Just read a table. As long as it's going in the same direction all the time, I think we should be able to do that. So, what map are we loading up? Map 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it definitely that one? So where are we starting it? At the bottom row? Oh, it's not that one, is it? It was this one, wasn't it? So we're definitely starting it on the bottom row here. So that's going to be what? Row 19. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 23 in. 19 down. So that's this one. So 23 in. 19 down. So we can initialize in the gameplay the snake initial position. So if we we can do that. Right, so no, we'll do that. LDA, and we know where our current location is. So we need to times it by 2, and then we will load that. So that's going to be the X. So we'll store that. So where do we do? Did I actually initialize the position, or did I just leave it? No, I must have initialized it somewhere. Initialize snake, that's where it is. Here. Right. So that's the row. 18 is the row. Oh, 18. I put 19, didn't I? So we need to make this as a that. And this is the start point. So we'll be updating these. Right, so first things first, we'll do JSR. This. Whoa, Aston, your stomach, mate. Right, so store it in initialize snake dot, and this first one is the column. And the second one is the row. So initialize the position, and then we use that in the initialize. So we get the initial position, we set this point here and this point here, and then that. So the snake will always be horizontal, no matter what. It's always going to be horizontal. That's the rules. That's the rules. Right, let's see if it works. So we will do that and see if it starts in the same place. Ha! Well, that didn't work, did it? That's 0, 0. So I must have got on the wrong map. Hang on. So if I'm done 6, so I do DY. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's here. Right, let's try that again. Oh, that was all the way over there. Hello, Fewbit. Welcome. Welcome. Right, that should be in the centre. There we go. Now, there was a bit of a delay there, wasn't there? Initialize gameplay. Initialize snake. Maybe we should draw the snake straight away. Draw the snake straight away. Let's see. Does that put it on the screen now? Yeah, that's better. That is better. Right, so we need to work out the start point. So that was... The problem is, if that's 6... No, this can't be right. Have I got them screwed up? That's that one. Oh, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. My bad. My bad. Right, we need to create the start points for the others. So we've got the start point for this one. Oh, that means I'm missing a map. I'm missing a map. Oh, hang on. Can you hear that? It's absolutely lashing it out outside. Yeah, absolutely lashing it. I'm sorry if you can hear it raining, but the man upstairs decided he needs to go. I'm not sure if I've got I'm not sure if I've got these maps the right way around. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But that... Hang on. 7. See what happens. Right, okay. That's a bit sus. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. That's a bit sus. Have I got one map too many? One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hmm. Oh, John, you're a plank. John, you're a plank. What have I forgotten to do? What have I forgot to do? Yeah, -1. So the current map is 6. DY, transfer, double it, transfer it back. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to change current map. Yeah. I'm not sure what effect that would do, so let's just try that. I think that would throw a spanner. Right, let's go back to how he was. Let's do that, but we need to do the map. We need to do that in the map as well. So, initialize map draw. Where's that? Because we do the DEY there. We do the DEY there. Right. Let's see if that is now correct. So what map's that one? That's the last one. That's that one. Nice. So we want the snake to be along the bottom, yeah? We'll start the snake along the bottom. So so it's just a case of copy and paste. Yep. Right, so 1. That's the test map, isn't it? That's that one. That's the test one, so we'll do the same on that one. Right. Where's the other ones? Character set 01. So we could have the snake there on that one. That one's going to be the troublesome one. So 2 is going to be the same. So 2 is going to be the same. So where should we put it on 3? In the middle? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Move up. Oh, you mean here? Move up 1 row. Okay. Okay, we'll do that. And then this one, that can be on the bottom. And then this one, right here or here? 18, 17, 16. Put it there. 16. And then the last 2 can be in the same place. Right. Let's try these out. Let's see if they turn up in the right... Let's see if they go in the right place. Yep, that's in the right place. Oh, that is naughty. That is naughty. Hello, Mine78. Above the square, yeah. Spontaneous thought. Could these maps be run length encoded to save space? Well, they're sort of encoded because we're using tiles. So that's going to be 15, yeah? Because we're using tiles. So it's sort of encoded. Oh. Oh. Hang on. What map are we on? 2. 0. Oh, yeah. It's not that one. It's this one. Oh, one more. Me and my counting. Me and my counting. Commercial. Do I have ads? Right. We're using tiles. We're using a tile set. So the tile sets is sort of encoding, yeah? So the screen doesn't get stored like that, yeah? It gets stored as tiles, and then each tile has 4 characters attached to it. So so you can use a tile many, many times like these tiles. So there is a sort of encoding going on using the tile set. Well, that one's okay. Oh, right, okay. Well, you could teach me some stuff then. Right, so next one. Map 3. See if that's in the right place. You could save your tile maps running length encoded. Yes, there is that. There is that. There is that. It depends how many maps we've got. If we have hundreds and hundreds, then we'd have to encode them. But we've got 16 at the moment. That one's alright, isn't it? That one's alright. 4. Ooh. We're going to have to move that one up, aren't we? By 2. So what are we on? 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, that should be in a free area. There we go. Might as well go through them all. 5. Yep. Okay with that one. 6. I think they're all the same now, aren't they? They're all the same place. Yep. And last but not least, for the moment, I will get that multicolour one in. I'm going to get that multicolour one in because I want to try that one out. Ooh! John, you're a muppet. We've only got 7 maps. We've only got 7 maps, not 8. You're a muppet. Right. Yeah, 6 was the last one. Right, so. Right, so we've got. We've got it to extend. Now. We need to check whether we've got any more cookies on the screen. And we haven't done that yet, have we? We might as well do it while we're here. Right, so the cookie, this one here. So what we need to do, we have a flag that says how many cookies. Yeah, we have a flag that says how many cookies we've got. Or do we? Oh yeah, game vars. Here we go. Cookies left. That's the jobby. So here, when we're doing cookie detected, we can decrease now. No. Aha! So now, initialize the gameplay. So we need to load. Oh, where's the off button? Here. Constants, that's the one. Load that, store it in. No, not game flow state. Oh, where was it? It's flags. Yeah, that's what it was. Level completed. So, level completed is not been set. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. Yeah, I know, but And remember, we're in the state machine. We're in a state machine, so I suppose what I think the 0 set when we decrement, innit? Yeah, 0 set. So we can do branch if not equal to. Next. So if it's not equal, if we've not hit the last cookie. Right, now. Do we need another state? Do we need another state? We could need another state. Yeah, we're going to need another state. Right. Right, because when it thinks we need to then up the next level, we need to up the map and then reset the snake to the right coords. But is it? Oh, it won't. Will it be in there? Oh, it could be in here. Oh, we could do this. We'd just set that in the difficulty, wouldn't we? Ooh, maps. I've just thought, if we're going to do that, we need to do this. So we could put that choose difficulty. What comes after choose difficulty? I can't remember what we did. Choose difficulty, initialize play. Yeah, it'd be in there. So we could set the first. That's where the first map is. Yeah. So if we do that. Initialize the gameplay. What's the downside of doing that? There isn't. I don't see one. Right. We'll leave that state that I've just put in. So we'll need to load the state in. Oh, where do we store it? I forgot where. Oh, there. Now, right, so we need to check for last map, and then we RTS, basically. Put us back into the state machine. Let's see if this works. So we're going to start at map 0, and we'll try and get all the cookies, and then we'll... Was that our test map? Right, let's say it to map 1. I thought it was yellow. Ah, here we go. Right, let's see if we go to a different map. Oh, this is going to take some time, isn't it? With me and my gameplay. Look. God. Epic fail. Oh, come on, John. You got better reflexes than that. Oh, I did the U-turn all right. Slowly, slowly. Oh, turn. Oh, hit the right key, John. I'm just testing it out, Saucy. I'm just seeing if we need to have, because effectively it is resetting the level, yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Hello, Mrs. OSK. I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't do anything. I was just playing with your sound effects. If this is the speed of put mode, we're going to need a huge time. I know. Here we go. Oh, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I did not sabotage your stream. I just played sound effects. Well, that went and boom, didn't it? Okay. Why would that go boom? Why would that go boom? Anyway, I'm going to speed it up because I want to speed it up. Constants. Oh, it's not in there, is it? I did not. I did not. I just played sound effects. I just played sound effects. I just played sound effects. Right. Initial speed of Aston. Number of frames before. Bigger, slower. Right. Let's half it. She lying. She lying. Don't listen to her. I was just playing sound effects. See, I'm better at playing it when it's quicker. Look at this. John the superhero. Oh. Oh, that's something we've got to sort out, isn't it? That's something we've got to sort out. Oh, I missed it. Oh, come on, John. You can do better than this. That's because I'm trying to read chat at the same time. Here we go. Oh, missed it. Down. There we go. He's a very hungry boy. Yes, he is. Oh, and I missed it. Right, do a loop. There we go. Oh, why is it erroring? Okay, why would it error? The return. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm not in a routine, am I? Nope. And they can go watch my last 10 minutes of my stream to see the truth. I just played a sound effect. That's all I did. I was spending my bits playing sound effects. Oh. Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me. Yeah, I was just playing sound effects like that. Tashman, unfortunately, now I have Monty Python. He's a very silly man stuck in. I didn't do anything. I just played sound effects. I just played sound effects. Docster, he was on the stream. Docster, he'll back me up. I was just playing sound effects. I was playing sound effects. 4. Initialize gameplay. Oh, that's there. So it's not. Initialize gameplay. Oh, that's why it's erroring. So we have a reset anyway. We don't need one. We have a reset. So it's that one. That's the one I want. That. Oh, you going? She throws a grenade and legs it. Night, night, Mrs. OSK. Comes in, accuses me of being. Throws the grenade and legs it. Yeah, light the blue touch paper and run. Yeah. She's been threatening it all weekend. All weekend. It was a good laugh. Kept making a jump when I was playing the sound effects. Oh, John, come on. There we go. Oh no, she's already threatened to poison some of the meals she makes me. She's already threatened to poison them. I think she said dog food. I think she was going to use some of Aston's dog food. Right. Oh, come on, John. Up. Oh, I missed it. There we go. Get me timing right. Oh, missed it. Oh, would you believe that? Oh. Oh, hang on. Okay, let's do that again. Pay attention, John. I think I've got a sneaky suspicion I know what happened there, but I need to see it happen. Come on. Up. Oh, this is going to be so frustrating, this is. I can see it. I can see FaZe getting really frustrated with it. Okay, up. Go round. Go down. Oh, if I'm getting frustrated with it, mate, and I'm writing it. Right, there we go. Oh, that was close. Right, come on. Right. So it did it. But I think we need a step in between. I think we need a step in between. Yeah, we need something in between. Yeah, clear this. We also need to clear the screen as well, because the screen didn't get cleared. Right. Let's do that. So I think we should do this reset play. So we're not doing that one. We'll do the reset play, which is up here somewhere. Or have I not coded it in yet? No, I haven't. Right. Reset gameplay. So we'll get it to go there. And I mean we've upped the map anyway. So we'll get it to go here, and what we're gonna do is need to clear the screen. Have we got a screen clearer? No, we haven't. Right, so let's put a screen clearer in there. So we will do it the old-fashioned way. Now, oh, we've got the space there. So we'll do X and Y. So and we will do the same thing as we've done. Where is it? Not there. Here. Constants dot characters dot space. Load the space in, store it in there, but we also need oh, the color will get reset anyway. The color get reset anyway, so put that there. Iron Y, CPY ash 40, branch is not equal to inner looper. That's in there. I was gonna say right, so then we do INX CPX hash. We've got constants for all this lot, haven't we? Yeah, there, max columns. So constants display max columns. Constants dot display dot max columns, and then constants display Right. That should clear the screen. That should clear the screen. So, first things first. JSR maps dot clear screen. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to just do something temporary here. 197. Compare it with 64. Branch of not equal to back. And then when we press a key, it carries on. So what I wanted to do is clear the screen, stop, yeah. We wait for a key press and then it will go. Right now, I'll clear the HUD. No, I won't, because I'm only doing max rows, which is what, 20, isn't it? I won't be clearing the HUD. I shouldn't clear the HUD. Right, we'll see anyway. We'll see anyway. Let's try it. I just want... Oh. Maps clear screen. Or is it map? Map. Right. See if I can do any better. Oh, I am absolutely rubbish at this. My reflex is not fast enough. There we go. He's definitely getting longer, isn't he? Oh, I missed it. How did I miss it from that distance? Oh, I'm rubbish. Absolutely oh, come on, John. Right. Let's make sure I get this right, because I don't want to be pressing the key when I go through it. So, right, here we go. So, up. Oh dear. Right. Up. Oh, come on, John. There we go. And it's not cleared the screen. Well, that's annoying. That is because of that. That is because of that. Oh, now I've got to do it again. I might speed it up. Oh, am I pressing the right button? Come on, John, press the... Oh. Oh, right, okay. I wasn't in numlock mode. Reduce the number of cookies, yeah. I'm gonna, next time. I just want to make sure, because the last when we played, it didn't stop, did it? And I think one of the cookies got wiped over when he was materialised. And we need to sort that out if that's the case. But the only way to test that is to have a lot of cookies on the screen. But we'll do this, we'll get this done. Oh, John, you missed him. Oh, I am not hitting this button right. Like there. We must have wiped a cookie out. We must have wiped a cookie out. Right, there's only going to be 5 on now. Too early, too early. First it was too late, now it's... Oh dear, how can I just circle that? Oh, I am pants at this game. Right, so we cleared the screen. Press a key. And we're not starting again. Oh, we're not starting again. Because what have I forgotten? What have I forgotten? No, I forgot to set the state. We went into the reset and we're staying there. So it's just going round and round in circles. So I need the state. Choose difficulty. This state. I need the... oh, it's the init play, isn't it? It's a init play. Init play. Right. Think about this, John. Oh, and I missed it. Come on. Right, here we go. Oh! Need to clear it. Yeah, well, yeah, because he resets in size, doesn't he? He resets in size. Yes, yes, we do. Good shout there, mate. Good shout. Okay. Right, so we need to initialize the... I don't think I have initialize in here, do I? Draw, evaluate, insert, change, move. No, right. Hello, Raiders. Welcome. Welcome. How are you today? Hello. Welcome. Let's do this shout out stuff. Oh, so still coding like me. What are you coding in? Oh, Unity. Nice. I've only played with Unity once, twice. Sometimes baffles me. That's why. Right. Clean snake. So we need to clean the snake. So, what's the array size for the snake? I can't remember. Professionally, I code in C#, VB, JavaScript, Apex, and a number of others. Personally, 6502 for any Commodore machine, BBC Micro, Python, C++ we've been learning. So yeah, C++ for that thing up there. So this is 6502. This is for a game jam we're doing. We're having a write a snake game for Prince Phase. So we're writing it 6502 assembly for the Commodore 64. And it's Prince Phase's fault. Right, 255. Okay, that's all we need. No, it's 255. Look, we made it 255. So we can just loop round. We can just loop round the X register. And we'll just set everything to 0. So we've got the X position, the Y position, the control flag. That's it. That's just the 3, isn't it? It's just 3 array. Head index. Oh, we'll set head index to 0 as well. Snake. So we'll just do this INX thing. INX. Branch if not equal to 0 to looper. So that will clean it out. And then store it in storage dot snake array dot head index. This is a new thing. This didn't normally happen before. Right, so that should clean the snake out. So let's put that in our reset. So clear the screen. Clean the snake. I think I called it snake. Yeah, snake. Clean the snake. Wait for us. Right, let's see if that does it. Let's see if that puts us back to a good state. Right, here we go. John playing a Commodore 64 game that he's wrote that he can't play whatsoever. Here we go. John's stuck. I'm relying on the walls to turn. I shouldn't need to do that. Come on, turn. There we go. That's done it. That's done it. That's done it. Right, I'll try not to press a key too quickly this time. Oh! What's going on there? Why didn't that do it? Right. We have a boog. Right, let's find out where all this information's stored so we can go looking for it. So we're here, game vars. Well, the cookies left should have been loaded on the when we initialized the level. Right, let's just have a look. Right, so when we initialize the map, we draw the screen. And then we populate with cookies. That should have set the cookies left. Let's have a look. Populate cookies. Here we go. Where are we? Load the initial value. Maybe you're right. Populate with cookies. Hang on, cookies left. Let's find that. Oh, it said choose difficulty. Oh, naughty, naughty. Right, let's put that in reset play. That should be in here. So,
hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello, who's followed? AO Fisher. AO Fisher, hello. Hey up, Nicomo, welcome. Right, so LDA, the cookie initial value. And now we're going to put it in there. So that should reset it. So let's try that again. Ugh, brain's not working today. Brain's not working today. Oh, John. Play the game properly, mate. Here we go. John the professional game player. Go on. Right, so that's just eaten one straight away. Is this the next? This is definitely the next map, isn't it? Oh, John's too busy chatting. Here we go. That's the same map, isn't it? That's the same map. But we... Hang on. Have I increased the right place?
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Pammy's telling me that they are the same picture. Yeah, it's the same map because I'm increasing the wrong value. Hello, Dustin. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Yeah. I'm increasing the wrong thing. Oh, dear. I'll tell you, my brain's not switched on today. Oh, hang on. Brain's not switched on today. It's that one. Right. I've not done well braining today either. Oh, you've been writing automated test cases? Yes. Yeah, I hate writing automated test cases. There's nothing creative about writing automated test cases. Hate it. That's why I offload it to the team. It's one good thing about having a team. You can offload. Right, here we go. Oh, missed it. Missed it again. There we go. It changed now. Oh, and John can't play the game properly. Oh, this is nice. 3 in a row. Oh, and I miss it. Come on. There we go. There's the... There we go. We're progressing through the maps now. And I should... Even though I'm cheating, I still can't play. Right, so the map. Oh, come on. There we go. So now we've got a place where we can pause the game, yeah? And say, get ready for the next level. This gives the user a chance to recover from his absolute dire snake. Right, here we go. That works. Game jam feedback. Can we make easier games? Well, I mean, Nico's run was pretty easy until it gets to evil mode. And I also noticed that it was actually going on. Branch if equal. That should be branch if equal. If it's equal to 64, stay. So let's just make sure that happens. Hey buddy, you woken up? He's woken up, look. John, Muppet, come on, play the game. When it gets to the proper game, I'm going to be rubbish at this. Oh, I cannot do that properly at all. There we go. So now it's wet. So you can see, was it SP? The HUD is perfectly intact, yeah? So we've blanked the screen out, press a key, there we move on, yeah? Yeah, it does. So, right, so we've got the progression we've got the progression now. So the cookies is working. The thing I was concerned about was if there's any cookies that are created on top or underneath the snake, we've got a problem there. So do we avoid that row? When we do the cookie creation, do we avoid that row? Draw the snake before the cookies. Oh, right, okay. Oh, that could work. Hang on, let me just check. Where do we do the cookies? Ugh. Populate with cookies. Are we checking? Oh yes, we are. And it's a legal space. Yes, we can definitely do that. Let me do that. So let's initialize the snake first, then draw it, and then populate with cookies. Right, let's see if that works. No, it still put one there. It still put one there. Yeah, so I reckon if we get rid of all these cookies, it's not going to work. Yeah. Oh, all of them are legal spaces. Aston is material 7, isn't it? Is it material 7? Yes, Aston's material 7. Right, okay. So oh, right, yeah, SP. Aston's is material 7. So we need to set all the Aston characters to material 7. 7. So let's export the attributes on that one. Where's character set 2? They're all set. They're all set, so that's fine. And we've only got the 2 sets, so it's just so that was the problem. We hadn't set Aston to be set 7. Right. Which means that Aston might not be able to go back on himself now. That'll be interesting. Will I be able to go back on myself? No, I can't go back on myself now. Oh, I can't cheat no more. Oh, that's... oh dear. Right. That's next on the old bug. That's next on the old list. Oh, the 2 new sets need doing as well. Okay, we'll get that because I want to... Oh dear. Who would have thought that I got myself stuck in a corner? Oh, John, come on. That way. There we go. Right. Right, so the way to test this, is to change this. Change it from 5 to 55. There we go. Evening D-Type, welcome. Well, that's an awful lot of cookies. But none went over him, I don't think. Oh, he's getting long. I'm going to get myself stuck here, aren't I? Yeah, it's coming along. Oh, I'm going to get myself stuck. So this is 55 cookies on the screen. Oh, I missed it. Oh, come on, John. There we go. Oh! Oh, I managed to escape. One more. We'll see if it works with a lot of cookies on the screen. Yes, there we go. Right, so we've got the progression onto the next level sorted. Let's put that back to 5. So we've got the progression on the next level sorted. We have made it a little bit more responsive. The growth seems to be ever so slow, but I don't know why. Seems to be ever so slow. But he does do it. So I'm not going to worry too much about it because he does grow. So what do we do now? If we do the death, that means we've got to get all that stuff done. Maybe we should put the crumbs on. Maybe we should test the crumbs out. Right, okay, so how do we know when to put the crumbs on? Speed of Aston, delay, cookie growth value, crumb growth value. No. We need to start thinking about the HUD, don't we? We need to start getting points on there. So we have a character set, I think. Yeah. I was trying to think, did we have a flag that says that crumbs would be on that But we haven't got a flag that says that we're enabling crumbs. Unless the fact that we have a crumb, if we have any sort of crumb growth factor, that could be it. Yeah. So in the initialization we need to, right, okay. We need to, where's the map variables? Because we need to test if we're going to put crumbs on and get them on. Right, hang on. Crumb. Oh. Oh, there we go. Crumb growth value, that's what we can use. So populate with cookies, and then we could do the populate with crumbs. So we will do that. Now the crumbs, we was just going to fill the map up.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
This crumb growth value. This crumb growth value determines how fast they grow when they eat the crumbs, yeah? So if this is 0, that means we're not having any crumbs on the screen because there'll be no growth value. So that's what I was saying. We can. Well, the thing was that we would fill the map with crumbs, but the crumb growth value would be the thing that makes it more difficult, yeah? And that's what I was thinking. It's just to fill the map full of crumbs, yeah? So it's effectively this clear screen that we've just written, but for crumbs. It's this. It's effectively that. But for crumbs. So I might as well just stick it in here. Might as well just stick it in there. Because then we can test. We can test when we run through the thing. We can test whether it's a legal space and put a crumb there. So that's what we'll do. So so that's going to be an LDA. Ooh. Oh, it's in Snake, isn't it? Evaluate. Where is it? Get material at location. Here we go. That's what we want there. That's what we want. We want to do that. So X is our row, Y is our column. So we just do this. So we get the material type of the X and Y.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Remember there are 2 crumb characters. Yes, yes. We can think about that, mate. We can think about that. Let me just get the crumbs on the screen, then we can think about that. Right, so we get the material value at that location, so we don't need all that. And And right, cmp hash constants dot character material types legal space. If it's that, then we'll carry on. If it's not, we'll bypass it. Which will be here. So if it is a legal space, then we will load ash constants dot characters dot crum1. SP will we'll figure out how we're going to do it, but we're just going to try and get it on there and then store it on the screen. Yeah, and then we'll CLC LDA 0 page hi ADC hash color offset. Yeah, the high part of color offset, store it in there. Now we need the color. We need the color, don't we? Crumbs are white. Are they always white? Did I have a color retrieval system? Aha, here we go. Get map color. So Y is the character. Right, let's do this. Now, I know why. Oh, cobbler. No. We can sort this out. There we go. That sorts that out. So we store Y away. We transfer the character into Y. We get the color, and then we're going to store it. So we pick it up, and then we do that. So that should do it. That should fill the screen with crumbs. So let's try it. Let's put it in the initializer and let's see if we have a screen full of crumbs. Populate with cookies and then JSR. Where are we? Map. Add crumbs to screen. Right. Do we get a screen of no? Right. Color RAM offset. I thought it picked it out. Okie dokie. Oh, that's funny. Well, the top it's reading as a multicoloured, isn't it? Alright then. Storage, map, character attribute. Storage, map, 14. Oh, are we using 14 more than once? Constants. Oh no, they're miles away. No, so it's not that. So it's not that. Okay, map. So why's the offset? We are loading crumb 1 and it's storing it. Oh, I told you my brain's not working today. Can you see it? Before I do anything, can you see it? What have I done wrong? Saucy says LDA. What LDA? What have I done wrong? Come on, before I do it, here's a chance. Yeah. I've overwritten the accumulator, haven't I? Right. So I need to do that, which means that I don't need to do transfer Y. I need to do that. I overwrote the accumulator with the end result of the addition. That's why it was in bands. There you go. So now, to make this, so we need to do the ratio. We need to do the ratio between crumb 1 and crumb 2. Yeah. So we can use our randomizer that we created, if I can remember where it is. Where's the randomizer? Oh, where did I put the randomizer? utils. There it is. So we've got the randomizer, so we can use that, yeah? So if we then do JSR cycler, we can say whether, you know, if it's less than a certain number, do that. If it's greater than a certain number, do that. So do we want more of the smaller ones or more of the 5 dot ones? Right. So if we make this a high number, so let's say EO, branch of carry clear to bypass. Right, we can do that, yeah? So, our favourite command. So this is going to be, our favourite command is going to be, let's say it's a, so we want to make it miss 2 bytes. So is that's 2C, isn't it? That's 2. SP's ahead of me. 2C. Let's just make sure. Have I still got the? Yes, I have. Let's just make sure. Yes, the absolute one. 2C. So we'll make it do bit 2C. Utils, and then crumb. So crumb 2 is the smaller one. So if it's less than E0, hey, how you doing, mate? G'day, everybody. DJ The Crypt is in the house, aka Warlock. Say hello. I'm not doing too bad. Not doing too bad. Welcome, welcome, mate. I was bopping along to your tunes, mate. I've downloaded the stream while you was doing it. I kept missing notification because I wasn't from this account. Yeah. No, he's not changed his handle. I think it's a brand new account. It's a brand new account, but he streams. So let me do the honor. Oh, hang on, even better. Hang on. Add streamer at DJ Crips. Right, here we go. Add streamer. That's it. You're now added in my bot. So the next time you say something, it'll go, hello. There you go. There you go. So now you've got an automatic shout out, mate. Automatic. Oh, that person. Oh, we have to do that person as well, isn't it? Add streamer. Whoever the guy who raided us. The scripting skull. He's the fella, isn't he? Right. Add streamer. So next time, if he raids us again, he'll get automatically knowed. I was watching him on. It was. Was it Friday night? DJ, was it Friday night? I was watching you. Playing my sort of tunes. Yeah. Got the headphones banging away. You watched him too? Yeah, he's my sort of music. My sort of music. Right. Oh yeah. We was doing this, weren't we? Populate with crumbs. Right, let's see if we get a mixture now. Let's see if we get a mixture of cookies and crumbs. Well, that didn't work. Maybe we need to make the randomizer a bit higher. Oh, that didn't work. That didn't work because I've put it in the wrong friggin' place. Put it in the wrong place. Should be there. Rats. Well, it's always going to be white anyway, so we'll just do LDA crumb 1. We don't need that either. Right, let's do that again. If you like that, John, you can listen to my radio show on Mixcloud. Mixcloud? All right. Oh, the Crypt Radio. Crypt Radio. Oh, this one. There. Oh, there he is. There he is. There's the man. Look at that cheeky grin. Look at the cheeky grin. Right, I'll put that for later and I'll sort that out. Right, I've got to look what we've bust it. we've bust it. What's going on? What have I done wrong? He looks like me. You joke, really? He don't look like me. There's no way. There's no way he looks like me.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Warlock, thank you very much for subscribing, mate. Come on, you can't say that he looks like me. Look at that cheeky grin. We may have the same taste in music. Definitely. Next, I want to see him doing the old mixing on the decks. Right. What we doing? What we doing wrong? What we doing wrong? Oh no! No, joking. Oh, you mix with Virtual DJ. I got Virtual DJ. Did I see him dancing? Yes, I did see him dancing. Yeah, I saw him dancing. Yeah, I've got Virtual DJ. I got Virtual DJ. I used to use it many moons ago when it first came out. Back in the early noughties. Yeah, so I used to DJ. I used to DJ in the 90s and early noughties. It was a long time ago, mate. It was a long time ago. But I've still got Virtual DJ because I've still got all my CDs all on MP3s. So, used to do the old mic thing, you know, doing the mixing and everything. That's when I was a younger fellow. I could hold me beer. Don't do it now. Don't do it now. Long time ago. Right. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong, John? Why doesn't it work now? Oh! Just stupid idiot. Told you, my brain's not working today. There we go. Hey! I think we got a right ratio. Now he's not going to grow. Oh, he is growing, isn't he? I need to check that. But he's definitely growing. Even I don't think I put a growth factor on. You buy all your MP3s from Bandcamp. I don't buy MP3s. I still want the disc. I'm too old school, right? I had all my vinyl. But I MP3'd the whole lot. But the problem was, you know, you MP3 all the vinyl, and some of the vinyl, like, you know, Time Warp and a few of the other records tend to crackle a little bit. So the MP3s didn't sound very nice. So then I bought the CDs. Yeah, his crack pops. Yeah. So I bought all the CDs. So I still buy. You like the LED sign? Well, that's two together, mate. That's two together. Got one down there, one there, one there, and one on its way. One on its way. But yeah, I used to DJ a long time ago, but I prefer to have the physical media and then rip that, because if the police come banging on the door and say, "Hey, we hear you've been stealing music," I can prove I've got it because I've got all the DVD CDs. I have not been buying all the panels. I've just been talking to the man and saying how much for these many. I've just been proactive. Right. I need to find out why it was gaining size, because I thought I didn't put cookie growth value. Crumb's growth value is 0. Phase. You make me laugh, mate. Does the eat cookie only check when it eats cookies? Well, it's meant to be. It's meant to do. But to be honest, it's that. So we load the crumb accumulator, add the growth value, and then put it back into the crumb accumulator. But if the carry is clear, we bypass the growth. So it shouldn't have been. It shouldn't have been. Yeah, I know I set the growth factor in the did I? Oh, look at that. What a plonker. So I did. So when do I read the... When do I read the initialization variables? Oh, it's here, isn't it? Choose difficulty chosen. Right. There are crumb growth value. Right. Okay. So let's rem this out. There you go, mate. You get 10 points for that because I would have been hunting for that. Right, so this is the growth factor. So we say, so that is every 2, every 4, every 8. So that was every 8 cookies he would grow 1. Every 8 crumbs he would grow 1. So if I do 0 there and put it there, that's every 16. Let's see if it grows every 16. I'm trying to avoid the cookies, yeah? You alright, buddy? Right, it's just grown. And he's just grown again. And it's just grown again. So yeah, this is right. So this is right. So what we need to do now is we need to check in the logic where we do add this. We need to just go so that's where it's stored, yeah? Cookie growth value. So what we need to do is we just need to do this. Right, so if we set this to 0, yeah? If we set that to 0, we should not... Hey, Proton, welcome! Welcome, matey! How are you doing today? We should not get any... There we go. Right, so now we've got the mechanism to add the crumbs. Yeah, so if in the difficulty level, if we've got a value in the crumb growth value, then it will always initialize. Hang on, am I put yeah, crumb growth value. Load the story's crumb growth value, branch if equal, bypass to, and it's not equal to 0. Right, let's do that again. Let's see. No cookies, no crumbs. Yep. So we got no crumbs. Give it that we're going to have crumbs on there. We should have crumbs. I have no idea what happened then. I have no idea what happened then. So we need to start thinking about the HUD. We need to start thinking about the HUD, yeah? Because seeing as that we've got this working now, we need to start thinking about the HUD, and we're going to have a timer on it, score. I suppose we could have cookies left. You know, that we tell the user how many cookies are left on the screen. I better write all this stuff down, haven't I? Number of lives. Number of cookies left. Score. Timer. Should we have a high score? High score? Level. Level, what I mean is the map number, yeah. What else should we put on the HUD? What else? So we have the timer. So that's how long they've got to do it in. That's it, isn't it? So number of lives, score, high score, number of cookies left, timer, and map. I suppose if we've got the space, we could put difficulty on there. So we need to start thinking about the HUD. So we have a character set. So does anybody want to have a crack at making the HUD? It's 5 rows deep by 40 columns. Yeah? Because we need to start thinking about that.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Kylo Dos, what have I missed? What have I missed, Kylo? Hey, Froton. Yeah, we're doing too bad. We're not doing too bad. We're getting there. We've managed to get it on there. Oh, I was getting raided. Sorry. I did say how, or was I a bit too fast before the raiders got in? Hey, Proton. How have you got on? Because last I was watching you, I think it was 2 days ago, when you was doing, I think it was Top Gun. I think you was doing the music to Top Gun. I think that's what it sounded like. Was you continuing on that? But hello, Raiders. Welcome. And we've also got to think about sound effects on here. We need to think about that. How we're going to do the sound effects. Is anybody any good at sounds? Oh dear. Right. So we need to do the HUD, yeah? And I think we should have a crack at that next time. What else is there? What else? Let's have a look at our current state. Check for hitting ourselves. That's sort of done. I don't think we're going to do another module on that. Fill the screen with crumbs. Done. We still need to do the HUD. Yeah, I saw that the other day you was in discomfort on your chair. Yeah, I can't remember what day it was. I think it was probably Saturday morning or something like that. I was watching you do it, composing the I think it was the Top Gun theme music. I was watching your thought processes. I was trying to get some tips for sound effects for here. I'm rubbish at sounds. I'm rubbish at music. Right. Okay. So we've done that and we've done that. We know they're working. So we'll put them in the done pile. We need what we need to do now is a transition to next map state, because we've got the basics of the one in there. We need the death sequence. So in the HUD we need to implement timer. Oh, we're having number of lives. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. What have I missed now? What have I missed now? Kylo, I thought I answered Proton about his stream. Because it looked like he was in pain last time I saw him on Saturday. No, it's fine, mate. It's fine. It's not a problem, mate. Not a problem. A quick HUD. Oh, you are joking me. You've done it already. Dude. Already. Yeah. Ooh. You alright, buddy? God, you're sleeping on there a bit rough, ain't you? Aston. He's got his backside hanging out the bed. That looks really good. Well, it does exactly what it says on the tin. Oh, I like the O's. Oh, I like the O's. I've just noticed the O's. We'll have to get this... Right, we'll have to get this put in, yeah? So next time, so we're going to do number of lives, score, high score, number of cookies, time I've already done, map number, or level. Was it level? Did we say level? Yeah, level. What else? No, that's it. And have a raster split for the character set. So we're going to put a raster split so you can switch the character set. Just need to add lives to that character mock-up. Yeah. I'll play that off stream, mate. Yeah. I'll have a listen to that off stream. Yeah, so that will even it out as well, won't it? That will even it out, because if we put lives here, oh, it's that one, isn't it? LIVES, that, and where are we? There. If we do that, then that sort of evens it out, doesn't it? That sort of balances it out. Move the colon. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah. That'll balance it out then. Right. So that's what we'll try and get this implemented on the next stream, yeah? Because we need to get the score working. We need to make sure that this is working and test that, and then the lives. And then we can start doing all the death sequence, and because the basics of the game is there. The basics of the game is there. We just need to now just add all the bells and whistles to it. And we need sound effects. We need sound effects. So we either do it procedurally, or if somebody can work their magic. Oh, come on, mate. Are you wanting to go out? I am. Alright, guys. Well, I'm going to call it there, yeah? I'm going to call it there. So we're going to do the HUD on the next one. And let me save that. We're going to do the HUD on the next one. And we'll go and take it from there, yeah?
Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello, Skin Biscuits. Welcome. Welcome. Right, looks like he wants to go out. So I'm going to call the stream there. And I will see you guys on Wednesday, yeah? Alright? So I'll see you on Wednesday and we'll get on with this HUD. Alright then. Take care. Have fun. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.